Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm gonna recreate my car in Wangan Midnight Maximum Tune in INITIAL D PSP, which is actually this car my AE86 trueno. So yeah, let's get right into it. So first you're gonna pick AE86 of course. And then let's full tune it. So we gonna pick the wheels first. I'ma pick this Volks wheel because it look accurate. And now the hood. We gonna pick the Pokiru carbon hood because it looks accurate. And this is what it looks like. And now let's see it in action.